SmartGro is an intelligent system which provides watering according to the plant need. SmartGro has three parts: a controller, sensor and a valve unit. Here the controller is the intelligent part which controls the sensor and the valve unit. The sensor captures the moisture level of the soil. Corresponding to that moisture level, watering is controlled by the valve. All the configurations and settings for the controller are configured via SmartGro app, which is available both in Android and iOS platforms. For more queries, please feel free to contact at sales@troncart.com.